Namaskar, friends. Today I would like to discuss about the conservation of biodiversity in implementing natural farming or zero based natural farming. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you what is biodiversity. In Hindi, फसल पारिस्थितिक तंत्र में जमीन के नीचे एवं जमीन के ऊपर पाए जाने वाले विभिन्न प्रकार के जीव जंतुओं तथा वनस्पतियों को सम्मिलित रूप से बायोडायवर्सिटी या जैव विविधता कहते हैं। In agro ecosystem, the presence of different kinds of animals or organisms, plants, birds, etc. Different kinds of microorganisms found below earth as well as above earth is combinedly called as biodiversity. अर्थात एक ऐसा जीवन जिसमें विविधता हो, अर्थात विभिन्न प्रकार के जीव जंतु एवं पेड़ पौधे किसी पर्टिकुलर स्थान पर या पर्टिकुलर इकोसिस्टम में जो पाए जाते हैं उनको हम बायोडायवर्सिटी कहते हैं। In this biodiversity system, we must give equal opportunity for the survival of each and every organism found in a particular locality or particular ecosystem. These organisms as well as different kinds of birds, earthworms, pollinators which are found in a particular place or particular agro ecosystem, they play an important role for implementing the natural farming. So let us conserve these organisms in the particular agro ecosystem to get the benefit of these organisms for the production of crops as well as for the protection of crops also by means of suppressing the pest population by the different type of biocontrol agents present in a particular agro ecosystem. So what is the conservation of biodiversity? Removal of those cultural practices which are harmful to biocontrol agents or the beneficial organisms found in a particular agro ecosystem, and promotion of those cultural practices in the farming system which can promote the buildup of population of beneficial organism in a particular agro ecosystem is called as conservation of biodiversity. यानी किसी विशेष फसल पारिस्थितिक तंत्र में खेती करते समय उन कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस को अवॉइड करना, दूर करना जो बेनिफिशियल ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो कि उस पर्टिकुलर पारिस्थितिक तंत्र में पाए जाते हैं उनको हानि पहुंचाते हों, तथा उन कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस को प्रमोट करना, बढ़ावा देना, जिनसे ये बेनिफिशियल ऑर्गेनिजम्स की संख्या में वृद्धि होती है। इस प्रोसेस को, इस सिस्टम को कंजर्वेशन ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी या जैव विविधता का संरक्षण कहते हैं। We play the following activities will help to conserve the biodiversity in agroecosystem while doing farming. Number one, total removal of the use of chemicals in farming system. Say no to chemicals. Second, avoiding monocropping and adopt multi-cropping system of farming. Adopting suitable crop rotation, growing intercropping and border cropping, avoid trash burning and promoting the mulching of crop residue in the crop to maintain humidity, to maintain moisture, to maintain humus, to enhance the productivity of a particular crop. Using cow dung and cow urine based natural farming input in place of chemical. Planting trees around the borders as a border crops, as a bird percher on which the birds can sit and they can get food material from the cropping system. Very less human intervention is needed for the survival of each and every organism found in a particular area. Let's plant different types of trees and plants in the field. We must plant fruit trees, we must plant vegetable crops, we must plant pulses, oilseed crops, flower plants, etc. in the same field to trap crops, to conserve biodiversity. Growing of different crops to attract biocontrol agent. Different types of biocontrol agents which are found in particular area या particular agroecosystem are different kinds of spiders. There are two types of spiders. One is the web farming spider, another is the non-web farming spider. They are predatory in habit, they are not insects, and they have got 8 legs and the insects have got 6 legs. Insect predators which prey in different types of pests. Insect parasitoid which parasitize the different kind of pests. Any organism which depend on another organism for shelter, for food material, for completion of life cycle is called as parasite. Antagonistic insect pathogens, insect fungi, antagonistic fungi, insect nematode, DD136 nematode, insect viruses, NPV virus and other viruses, insect pathogenic fungi, Beauveria, Bassiana, Metarhizium, Anisoply, Fusarium, etc. Pollinator, different kinds of the pollinators, they are also found in agroecosystem which contributes to conserve the to implement the natural farming, and they are helpful for pollination. Different kinds of earthworms and other soil dwelling worms or organisms, they are also found in agroecosystem, which also contributes to conserve water in particular agroecosystem, to uh, to transfer the different food material from below ground to above ground. And these earthworms are also very important for implementation of natural farming. So, for the effective implementation of the natural farming, we must conserve the biodiversity in a particular area. And biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity is one of the major activities in implementation of natural farming. Thank you very much.